topic from our SS subject, that is our industries. Now what is the meaning of industries? You all know that we get all the things from the nature. Means if we talk about the wood, then iron, then wool, this all we get from the nature, but we cannot use them directly. Suppose we have the tree and we cut down that wood. Can we use them directly? No. What we have to do? We have to turn them into the finished goods. Now suppose now you all know that you are sitting on the benches, then furniture of your house. It is made up of wood. Then but this we cannot, it is converted, this wood is converted into this furnitures or benches. So we have to, where this all the raw material is turned into the finished goods, that is called as the industries. That is called as the industry. There is some one place where this all raw material is turned into the finished good, and this is called as the industries. Then even if we talk about the wool, we get wool from the sheep. But we all wear the sweaters now. It is a winter season. We wear the sweaters, then shawls. We use this. All things are made from wool. But how it is made? With the help of this industry. In this industry, this raw material of wool is converted into the finished good. Then only we all human beings can use this raw material. Okay, finished goods. So the industries are very important here. So there are some different types of industries: cottage industries, and small scale industries, large scale industries. Now what is the meaning of cottage industries? Cottage industries is the place where only it is at one home. Means now you all might be knowing, even in the villages, the ladies, those who are not having any work in the if they want to earn money and they can't go to the cities, so there are some type of bachat ghats. You all might have heard. Bachat ghats are there. They collect all the ladies together and they make the papads and pickles. That is called as a one home. Means one home means at one place, small place also, that this all people can come together and make the finished goods. Then this and the material, because we get of this cottage industries, we get this all material in the nearby market. Means if the people, they are in the less cost, they can go to the market, purchase that raw material, and they can convert them into the finished goods. So the cottage industries can be run in the small places with a few workers, and even the material which they want to buy, they can get from the nearby market. They don't have to go far away and purchase the raw material. So this is about the cottage industries. Then about the we can see about the small scale industries. Small scale industries, here also there are few workers. Large industries, large machineries are not there in this industries. Few workers, simple machineries, means the products like biscuits, then soap, then garments. These all are produced in this type of industry, in small scale industries. And even because of few workers, there even whatever that if they are spending money, that is also very few. Means in the less amount, we can also run this small scale industries. There is no need of big machineries for this industries. So and the simple things like soap, biscuits, and plastic materials you might have seen, that also can be produced in this small scale industries. Now see, here are the we talk about the large scale industries. Large scale industries means huge machineries are used in this industries. Then iron and steels are produced. Means whatever the iron and steels materials are there, finished goods are there, they can only be produced in this large scale industry, because they are having the huge machinery. This all huge products can be produced only with the help of this huge machinery. Then textile and cotton means this all comes in this large scale industries, because you all know for the textile mills, to run the textile mills, we need huge this all machinery and large even the workers we need in the more amount, means in the more percentage we need, because with the small workers we can't run this large scale industries, and even the workers should be trained and they should know all the new techniques to be used in this large scale industry. So with a few, instead of, we can't say with a few workers, but with a much more workers, and even the amount of money we have to put in this large scale industries, that should be also more. So then only we can run this large scale industries. And now see, in our India there are the other more types of industries like that iron and steel, and this all industries, large scale industries, are how we can be situated, or we can run in the place where the raw material is available very nearby. Because if it is suppose in state, now here if it is the sugar, we are talking about the sugar mills, that to run that sugar mills, what is needed, sugar cane is needed, because the sugar cane is a raw material and we get the finished good, that is sugar. But this sugar cane or sugar mills, where it should be situated, where there is the sugar cane this farm or fields. Suppose if now we talk about the Maharashtra, you all know that sugarcane fields are in our Maharashtra. But if then so that sugar mill should be situated in Maharashtra only. If the fields are in the Maharashtra and in the West Bengal, if that sugar mill is in the sugar mill is in the West Bengal, it is not possible to run that sugar mill safely or smoothly. So wherever this raw material are available for this big scale industries, large scale industries, there only these are situated. So this iron and steel, the state where we get this iron and steel, there only this industries are also situated. Then cotton textiles are also situated even in the Mumbai, means in Maharashtra, then in the West Bengal also. Then the silk textiles, you all know, most of the silk textiles are in the south side of our India. Then the woolen textile, then jute mills, because in the West Bengal much more the production of the jute is there, so the jute mills normally we get in West Bengal. Then I have talked about the sugar mills in the Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. We can see this type of sugar mills. So this all large scale industries are situated where the raw material we get easily, and the workers also are trained to run this large scale industries. So in our India, where most of the people, they even there are the cottage industries are there, the small scale industries, and even the large scale industries. In our India, these all three types of industries are run in the different states and in the different places. Then even the aeroplane, automobile, then electrical goods, these all industries are also run in our India. Aeroplane industries are run in these factories are located in the Lucknow, Hyderabad, Nasik, then Korapur. Then automobile industries are also run in the Kolkata, then Jamshedpur, Nasik. Then electrical goods are run. These factories are located most in the Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, where this all materials are. Then industries are very crucial for the process of India, and means how if these industries run very smoothly, fast, and with a large amount of profit, then even the our India will get uplifted, because with this all profits and that profit we are getting from this industries only, we can run our country very smoothly. Understood? This all are about the industries in our country.